Good morning all of you. Hope you all are well in your home. You remember what we learned in the last class? Yes, of course, the story Learning the Game. You know whose story is that? Yes, the living cricket legend, that is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. So, Learning the Game. So, the title is Learning the Game by Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. So, what you learned? You remember what you learned in the first small part of our story? Yes, how Sachin got entry to the summer camp. He started playing cricket at a very early age, that is the age of 11. So, let's continue the chapter again. You know who supported Sachin to playing cricket or got entry to the summer camp? Yes, his brother Ajit. So, let's continue the chapter. Page number 22 all. The first paragraph there. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes and the routine was to wash them as soon as I returned from the morning session. So, you know the summer camp, the schedule of the summer camp was so tough, rigorous. There the morning session is there, after that an evening session. 2 sessions are there. Here, as a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes. Sachin, our character, Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes. And the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. After he returned from the morning session, he washed his cricket clothes. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. In the food time, he just washed his cricket clothes, and after the lunch, all the clothes are dried out. Then the pattern was repeated. This pattern he repeated again and again all day. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. After the evening session also, he washed his cricket clothes because one set is there. Then the next morning, the next day early morning, he also goes to practice. So, he used the same cricket clothes. The system worked well, but the system to wash it and use it was very good. Apart from my pockets, but that is apart from his pocket is not dry out. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months I informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. So, his Ajit and his coach Ramkant Akraga sir and Sachin also understood that if he practiced such a way, he can win all those things. He can be a good cricket player. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, he was a student in the school, English medium school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So, his school, Sachin's school, that is the new English medium school in Bandra, there was no cricket facilities, but in Shardashram Vidya Mandir school there was the facility. They gave importance to cricket coaching. So, he wanted to change his school, and his coach Ramkant Akraga sir was also very keen. Keen means encourage him to Sachin to change his school to get the facilities of coaching and the cricket playing. Come to next parallel. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. One day, one evening, Ramkant Akraga sir called Sachin's father and he wanted to what he called his father? Yes, to put forward a condition, a suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at that time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any such objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. Then Sachin's father and Ajit, they sat in the next room, nearest room of them, and our cricket coach Ramkant Agraga sir just put forward his suggestions that please change Sachin school to Shardashram Vidya Mandir school, and his father supported Ramkant's suggestion and he agreed to change the school of Sachin. But one condition to his father is more serious about playing cricket. He put forward a condition to Sachin's father, that is yes, have some seriousness about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Shardashram Vidya Mandir, where Agraga sir was a cricket coach. So his father, Sachin's father, agreed to change Sachin's school to Shardashram Vidya Mandir school, and Sachin was very happy then. All my excess energy means increasing energies, were getting channeled. Channeled means just go through a path. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. So his all effort, his all energy he just give to playing cricket. That acted as his all energy is acted as a safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the result. That's it. That is the main point. We are not tensed about our result. If we practice or participate well, we can achieve anything. That is also same opinion of Sachin's father. He wanted me to do was give it my best. He wanted Sachin to give it his best effort without worrying about the result. You don't worry about the result. You just practice, play. Come to the next para all. In my first year at Shardashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. So, he changed as per the consonants of the coach and his father. He changed the school to Shardashram Vidya Mandir. Then he played 55 cricket matches there. During the summer break of 60 days, he practiced 55 cricket matches. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 am and end at 4:30 pm. So, the summer session is on 7:30 am to 4:30 pm. My evening session would start at 5 pm after only a 30 minutes break. After his morning session, the evening session started at 5 pm at the evening and only a 30-minute break. He got only the rest time, leisure time, 30 minutes. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. So during this 30 minutes break, his coach Ramkant Agraga sir just gave him money for what? To buy and eat his favorite food, that is vada pav. That is a Mumbai fast food. So did you get me, guys? Yes. So come to next para. Between 5 pm and 7 pm, I had have 5 more net sessions. After 5 pm between 5 pm to 7, he have 5 more sessions. How you know how the schedule is very tight, very rigorous. Towards the last 15 minutes, Sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. Last evening session, end of the session, there is a game, just a game, that is a 1 rupee coin is on the top of the stump. You know the stump? Yes, on the top of the stump a 1 rupee coin is there, and if Sachin managed to avoid getting out the stump, he got the coin is Sachin's. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me. In this session, the evening session, all the bowlers come and bowl for Sachin. With some 60 to 70 boys fielding, 60 to 70 boys are there for what? For fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. So during these sessions, practicing session, Sachin was so tired. Then he got the satisfaction when he win that 1 rupee coin. That is this. So through this session, getting 1 rupee coin session, he taught, the Ramkant Agarkar sir taught Sachin that what, how to concentrate more on playing cricket. At the end of it all, Sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. Then after this, at the end of all of the session practice, Sir would tell me, Sir, Ramkant Agarkar sir, tell Sachin to run 2 full circuit of the ground. How tough is that? And that was the last part of my training, and I'd be completely exhausted by the end of it all. That was the last part, end of the session. What is that? To run 2 complete rounds, circuit. So after that, Sachin was really exhausted, really tired. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up a physical and mental stamina. But this rigorous schedule, this tight and tough schedule of summer camp, practicing and the running, all those things gave him what? Physical and mental strength or stamina. So come to the next para all. You can see there a picture of Sachin and his coach there. Did you see that? Yes. Occasionally my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me to a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. So sometime his father gave what? A special juice, that is fruit cocktail, at a juice center near the club. Near the club there was a juice shop. So from there, Sachin's need, his father gave him what? Fruit cocktail. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, as a child he repeated the wish again and again to his father, but after every time it was unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of, come to next page, the needs of my brothers and sister. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. So his father gave him often what? Cocktail. Then he continued this habit, and his father cleverly stopped that. For what? Yes, he wanted to considerate what? His other son and daughters. On other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I'd often fall asleep on the bus if I managed to sit down. So the bus journey traveling to traveling from Shivaji Park to Bandra was so tough, so difficult. So he wanted to sit there, but no seat. Anyone who has been on a Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. So the people who travel these areas know how difficult to get a seat. On days when I was not so lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kit bag. So he also have a kit bag, the accessories bag. Because the bus conductors would inevitably means can't avoid, we can't avoid it, important, complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. So his kit bag is very heavy. So the bus was so rush, so another passenger can't stand there because of the bag. And they complained about that. It could be embarrassing because the conductors was often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. So that is why the conductor conditioned him from what? To give 2 tickets. One is for Sachin and one for his kit bag. I didn't have the money for a second ticket. I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. But he didn't take 2 tickets. Why? Because he didn't have money to buy that. Dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. Also after the evening session he went to his home. So he wear what? Dirty dresses. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag around me, just as the helmets and pads became a part of me while batting, so the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. I had often taken the bus or train from Bandra to church gates, and it was all a great learning experience. So his traveling also gave him a great experience. Come to next. Even though I loved cricket, but anyway he loved cricket. There were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such a fun that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. And when he went to his home, he engaged with his friends to play there. If I didn't turn up, Agraka sir would jump on his scooter and come to find me. So when sometimes he forgot to come to the nets and bat there, that time Agraka sir came there in his scooter to bring him. Sir would spot me in the melee and virtually drag me out. I would come up with excuses, but he would have none of it. Sachin also gave some excuses to escape from the nets. He would get me to the change and head off to Shivaji Park. But Ramkant Agraka sir really bring him to Shivaji Park for practicing. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing inane games with these kids. And on the drive, in the scooter, on the drive to the Shivaji Park, Agraka sir tell Sachin that what? Don't waste your time with playing your friends. Cricket is waiting for you in the nets, and your cricket is waiting you at the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. You just practice hard, then you can see the magic happens there in the nets. At that time, I hated being dragged off, but as I look back, I feel sheepish. Sheepish means shyness about my actions and can only admire Agraka sir's farsightedness. So he is far-sightedness. Far-sight means to see far. So he is very sheepish with what? Yes, did not practicing in the Shivaji Park. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. This time his coach Agraka sir teach him a important lesson. Once I bunked my daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that sir would be there. One day, he gone to watch an inter-school cricket match, but he didn't think of Agraka sir there, but he was there. Agraka sir was also there to watch the cricket. He was angry and he said, it was not for me to come and watch other people play for. If I practiced hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. That is the main point. That is the inspiration from a great coach. What is that? Sachin, after his practice, he went to watch the playing cricket match of other people. But Ramkant Agarkar sir became more angry and he said, what? You didn't come here to watch other people play. What you do? You play in the nets, you play in the ground, other people come and watch you. Had it not been for sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. He was a strict disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. I owe myself to him. That was a great inspiration, because after that inspiration, after his practicing all, Sachin became a living cricket legend. You know that. So he did all the thing. He owed himself for cricket. He dedicated his complete life for playing cricket, and that was a great success. You know that. So I think we discussed the 6th question answers. Now come to the 7th question, all page number 22. Can I read? Yes, the system worked well. Apart from my pockets, what is the system referred to here by Sachin? So Sachin tell that what the system was very good, but apart from his pockets. So what was the system referred here? Just write the question and answer there. Come to 8th. Why was Sachin asked to change his school? Why was Sachin asked to? Sachin wanted to change his school. Why? Come to 9th. What was the condition laid down by Sachin's father for changing school? Sachin's father was agreed to change the school of Sachin, but one condition is there for him. What was that? Come to 10th question. What did Sachin consider as a kind of safety valve? Sachin considered something as a safety valve. What was that? Write the answer. Come to next page at the top, 11th question. How did the 1 rupee coin help Sachin to become a good batsman? You know the story of the 1 rupee coin on the stump. So how did the 1 rupee coin help Sachin to become a good batsman? That is the question, and you write the answer in your notebook. Come to next, 12th question. What helped Sachin to build up a physical and mental stamina? So something helped Sachin to build up both physical and mental stamina, strength. What was that? You write the answer. Then the 13th question is, this regular demand was a little unreasonable. What was the demand? Why was it unreasonable? This is the same sentence in the text. What? This regular demand, Sachin demanded something regularly to his father. So what was the demand and why was it unreasonable? Not reasonable. Write also their answer. Come to the next page, the 14th question. Why was Sachin asked by the bus conductors to buy 2 tickets? Sachin's bus conductors asked him to buy 2 tickets. Why? The 15th question is, cricket is waiting for you at the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. What aspect of a coach can you infer in Agarkar sir? These are the word inspiration of whom? Agarkar sir. So what aspect, which aspect or what attitude aspect is given here as a coach in Agarkar sir? Come to the 16th question. Why did Agarkar sir punish Sachin? So Agarkar sir punished Sachin. Very silly matter. What? Why? For what reason Agarkar sir punished Sachin? Then A, B questions are there. B question, how did it help him? How the punishment of Agarkar sir helped Sachin to become a good cricketer? That is about the textual question answers. Now come to page number 26 all. Let's revisit and reflect. Move on to the first question. Shall I? Yes, very good. Do you think that the summer camp at Shivaji Park helped Sachin to mold himself into a real cricketer? State your reasons. So you think that what the summer camp at Shivaji Park helped Sachin to become a good cricketer? Then state your reasons. Just write your reasons there, your points. Second question, Sachin loved playing with friends at home. Mr. Ramkant Akraga wanted him to practice in the nets. What is the difference in playing street cricket and professional cricket? What was the role of Mr. Akraga as a mentor to change Sachin to a professional cricketer? So, sub questions are there. The main question is what? Ramkant Akraga sir wanted Sachin to practice and play in the nets, not with colony friends. So what was the difference between playing cricket in the street? You know, you often play with your friends cricket. So what is the difference between playing cricket in the street and in the nets? One is professional and one is street. So write the answers. Then one more question is there. What was the role of Mr. Akraga as a mentor to change Sachin to a professional cricketer? So the coach, the role of this Ramkant Akraga sir, and as a mentor to mold Sachin as a professional cricketer, the role of him, role of the coach, you write it up. Then the third question is, quote the sentences which you find most inspiring from learning the game. How do they inspire you and trigger a startup thought on your ambition? So quote the sentences which you find out as more heart touching or inspiring from this chapter. So in this chapter there was what? Some catching sessions, catching sentences, inspiring words, sentences. So you just copy it here. One more, move on to the first activity there. One day, people from across the world would come and watch you play, said Akraga. These are the same words of Akraga sir, the last part of the story. Now look at these pictures. Now you just pass your eyes through there. Sachin, the god of cricket, what a title. Only player to score 100 international centuries. Only man to play 200 tests. First batsman to score a double 100. So all these pictures are related with the success of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar, isn't it? Now come to the next page. Akraga was able to foresee similar pictures, and even Sachin was a school cricketer. Not only Akraga but also his father and brother played an important role in Sachin's career. List out their roles. So we understood that Sachin, his father Ramkant Akraga sir, his brother Ajit, all these people influenced him to become a great cricketer. So you have to mark in this table for what? The role of them. First column, Ramesh Tendulkar, that is Sachin father, allowed Sachin to change the school. The first step is he allowed, Sachin's father allowed him to give permission him to change the school. Then Ajit, his brother, identified Sachin's talent. He identified Sachin's talent. Akraga sir, Sachin's coach, agreed to train Sachin in cricket. He agreed to train him. So what are the other roles they played to become Sachin as a cricketer? So list them out. In the light of the points listed and analyzing Sachin's experience, prepare a brief write-up on the role played by others in molding a legend. So with the help of this information you listed there, prepare a brief write-up of what? On the topic role played by others in molding a legend. So based on this topic you just prepare a write-up. You can use the hints you listed there where in the table. So one more activity is there, activity 2, read it, that is to prepare Sachin's coach Ramkant Akraga using the information given below. To prepare the profile of Sachin's coach Ramkant Akraga sir with the following given hints, that is name Ramkant Akraga, year of birth 1932, place of birth Malvan, Maharashtra, occupation that is a cricket coach, founder of Kamath Memorial Cricket Club at Shivaji Park, famous players who trained Sachin Tendulkar, Vinod Kambli, Ajit Akraga, awards and honors, Dronacharya Award in 1990, Padma Shri in 2010. So, based on these hints, you have to prepare Agraka's profile. So, one more activity is there, that is to prepare what? Your school is organizing a meeting to honor Ramkant Agraka. Suppose you are the anchor of the function. Prepare a script for introducing him using the information given above. So, based on this information given as a hint to write the profile, prepare a script for what? Introducing. You have to anchor a program. So, prepare the script of that. So, here we wind up our story and we completed the story completely and discussed all the activities. Thank you.